We're ready to start our next skit this evening, and it's called the Morning Routine Skit. Ladies and gentlemen, as we mature, we find that we need to be even more diligent in areas of personal hygiene.
Very diligent.
We will now give a demonstration on a complete morning routine for the advanced gentlemen in our midst. As we start the day, we want to make sure our skin is clean and fresh. You can do this by using a cotton ball and cleanser, making sure that we clean around the hairline, all the way back to the hairline, and also behind the ears. Very good. Next, we want to remove that unwanted growth of beard that appears each day. Be sure to use a moisturizing shaving cream. Lather it up because it's the gel kind. And place it all over that beard. Then use your razor if you can find it. Oh, there is a rag right there on my knee. And you can find the razor and scrape very carefully and find all those hard to reach places. Yes, you might want to get a few of those chest hairs as well. Now after this, we want to make sure that any unwanted hair has disappeared from the eyebrows. Maybe the nose hairs. Oh yeah, and don't forget those ear hairs. And before we leave the skin care, we want to make sure that we put on something that smells good. Cologne behind each ear. And let's not forget the lotion. It's the pump kind. Not that. Go a little forward. And we'll help you out just a hair. This will keep our skin looking nice and soft. Maybe even a little on the forehead. That's right. Wipe back those hair pieces. Now don't forget that deodorant. We want to make sure that we are smelling good as well in certain places.
Certain places.
And before we finish our routine this morning, we're going to check our hair. And we want to make sure it's on first. Get that little hair piece on. Let's try that again. And then we have a nice comb that will help fix that hair piece. What a wonderful job we have done for our age. Well, that completes our program.